Bangladesh is home to more than 54 indigenous groups including the Chakma, Marma and Tripura, with most living in the northern and southern flatlands and the rest in the Chittagong hill tracts. They have distinct lifestyle, economic practice and belief system. These groups speak at least 35 distinct languages, adding to the country's cultural richness. However, many of these languages are endangered as the dominance of Bangla and modern societal pressures push them toward extinction, a global issue known as language debt. The UN warns that many indigenous languages are disappearing with ongoing every 2 weeks. During the British colonial rule, indigenous